Hello students, in this video we will discuss the applications of the Newton laws of motion. So here we will consider the problems of the masses and the pulleys. Now here we have considered two masses, that is capital M, mass capital M and small m, connected to the free ends of an inextensible string. These are two strings, inextensible strings, and moving over a pulley. This is a pulley moving over this smooth pulley. Now this mass small m move upward and mass capital M means capital M, this weight, this mass move downward. And we know the weight of the body is also acting vertically downward direction. Here the mass of this body also, weight of the body also acting vertically downward direction. But this is the lighter body and this is the heavier body. So lighter body will, when the heavier body move downward, then the lighter body will move upward, because this extensible string is moving over a pulley. So the acceleration of the heavy object is in downward direction and the lighter object is in upward direction. Now we can write the equation of motion of the mass m. Now what will be the equation of motion of mass m? That is given by F. Total force F is equal to W, this F is equal to mg, means weight. Weight is also a force. Which force? That is acting vertically downward direction. And this is T, tension, and tension is also a force. That is force in a string. The force in a string that hold this mass, this weight, that is called tension, and tension is also a force. Now the total weight, that is mg, is acting vertically downward direction, and this T is acting vertically upward direction. So total force, that is F, is equal to this mg minus this force that is acting opposite direction, means this the force with which this string hold this mass. So F is equal to mg minus T. Now we know F is equal to, what is F? F is force. We know the formula of the force, that is F is equal to m into A. Here m is capital M. Heavier mass we have considered here. So F is equal to m into A. Now put this value of F in equation 1. We get ma is equal to mg minus T. Equation of motion of the mass small m is given by F is equal to, now we will take the force, we will take the body having mass small m and its acceleration is in upward direction. Now in this case F is equal to, T minus mg. T means body is moving in upward direction. You can see in the diagram, the body is moving in upward direction. And the tension in the string, that is the force in the string, is that hold this weight, is also in upward direction. So the net force, that is the total force, F is equal to T minus mg, because mg is the weight that is acting vertically downward direction and total force is acting in upward direction. So F is equal to T minus mg. Here T minus mg, again we know F is equal to m into A, that is equal to T minus mg. Now this is equation number 3. Now we will add these two equations. Now adding equation 2 and 3, we get ma plus capital Ma plus small m is equal to mg minus T plus T minus small mg. So m plus capital M plus m into A is equal to m minus small m into G. Here A is equal to capital M minus m upon capital M plus m into G. This is the value of the acceleration. Now we will calculate here we will calculate the value of this t from here, t. So how will calculate the value of t? Put this value of acceleration in this equation. We get m into, what is A? A is equal to m minus small m upon m plus m into g, that is equal to capital mg minus t. So here in this, from this equation, here it is mg, here it is mg. So t is equal to, bring this t on this side and this equation on this right hand side, we get t is equal to mg, and this equation on right hand side becomes minus mg into m minus small m upon m plus small m, here mg. So we can take mg here, mg as common. Here t is equal to mg common from this equation, mg is common, so mg into 1 minus m upon m plus m. So mg into here m plus m is the LCM, so m plus m minus m minus plus m upon m plus m. So t is equal to mg. This 2m, this m plus m is equal to 2m upon m plus m. So t is equal to 2m mg upon m plus m. So this is the value of the tension, that is 2 small m into capital M into g upon m plus m. This is the formula to calculate the tension in the string and the acceleration in the body.